Hello art lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to share with you the digital fan art painting that was done by my friend. Digital painting is an emerging art from which traditional painting techniques applied using digital tools by means of a computer, a graphic tablet, or a stylus and a software. In times like this that we need to stay home and be safe, you can try another skills. Try this one, you might like it. For those who are interested, my friend is doing commission paintings like this. So hit me up and I'll get back to you soon. This is one of the great ideal gifts that you can give to your families and friends. I gotta stop talking for now. Enjoy watching, guys! Enjoying this video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and you will get updated for our latest videos. And before this video ends, I just want to thank my friend Earl for doing such a lovely portrait for me. You are so amazing and I really appreciate it. Thanks, dude, and keep up the good work. I hope you guys had fun with this video, so do I. Thanks for watching. See ya!